Hi students, I hope all of you are fine. In the last class, we deals with the place values of the numbers, then how we can write a number from words to symbol form, 10 crore, car, home. Next, we are moving on to our next section, expanded form. You already studied this thing in the previous years. Expanded form means expanded വികസിപ്പിക്കുക. Okay, we can check one example. 473. Can you read this number? 473. The expanded form of this number is, write this number as a sum of some numbers based on their place values. Definition ഒന്നും കണ്ട് പേടിക്കേണ്ട, സിമ്പിൾ ആണ്. 473 can be written as 1 times 100. So 4 on the 100 place value of 4 is 100 plus place value of 7 is 70 plus 3. 473 equal to 400 plus 70 plus 3. This method is called expanded form. Simple one. You already studied in the previous years. But this year we deals with some big numbers. That's all. Okay. Now we can check some numbers. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Now we can check what is the expanded form of the following numbers. Okay. We start with the first number. The first question. First you read the number. Okay, count the place value, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So the number is 63,250. So now we can write, what's the first number here? We start from here. 6. The place value of 6. 6 is in the which position? 10,000 position. So the place value of 6 is 60,000 plus next number 3. 3 is in the thousands position. So the place value of 3 is 3,000 plus 2. 2 is in the 100 position. So the place value of 2 is 200. 5 is in the tens position. So the place value is 50. And the last one is 0. Next number. This number is 5,36,308. So first place value is 5 lakh. Next number is 3. 3 is in the 10,000 position. So the value is 30,000. Next is 6. 6 is in the thousands position. So 6,000. Next 3. 3 is in the 100 position. The value is 300 plus 0. 0 is in the tens position. Which number is here? You already studied place value of 0 is 0. 0. Next 8. Next number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 10 lakh. So it is 99 lakh 99,999. So the first is 99 lakh. So first one is 90 lakh. Next number is 9. All numbers are 9. Most of you make wrong in this question. Most of you make some mistakes in this question because all numbers are 9. Don't worry, just count the place value. and write the answer. Next, this 9 is in the lakh position. So our answer must be 9 lakh. All numbers are 9. So next is 90,000. Next is 9,000. Next is 900. Next one is 90. And the last one is 9. Okay, next number. Read the number fast. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So this number can be read as 6 crore 42 lakh 30,728. So the first number 6 crore. Next 4 is in 10 lakh position. Two is in the lakh position. Three is in 10,000 position. Zero is in the 1,000 position. So what's the number? It's 0,000. No, there is no number 0,000, 0,100, only 0. If you want, you can exclude the 0. You don't need to write 0 there. Next one, 7, 700. Next one, 20. Next, 8. Okay, we can check the last one. This number is 4,50,732. So, first one is 4 lakh. 50,000. Next one is 0. Next 700. 30 plus 2. So this is the expanded form. You already studied in the previous years, but it deals with some big numbers, biggest numbers here. Expanded form എഴുതുമ്പോൾ വേറെ ഒരു കാര്യം നോക്കണ്ട, നമ്പറുകളെ സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് അതിൻ്റെ പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂവിൻ്റെ അടിസ്ഥാനത്തിൽ സമ്മായിട്ട് എഴുതുന്നു. 0 എവിടെ വന്നാലും പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂ 0 ആയിരിക്കും. ആ കാര്യം ഓർത്തിരിക്കുക. ഈ ടൈപ്പ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ മാത്രം ഒന്ന് കെയർഫുൾ ആയിട്ടിരിക്കുക, കാരണം എല്ലാ നമ്പേഴ്സും സെയിം ആണ്. പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂ കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യുക, എഴുതുമ്പോൾ ഓരോ നമ്പർ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചെഴുതുക, വേറെ ഒന്നും നോക്കാനില്ല. വളരെ സിമ്പിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു കാര്യമാണ്. ഓക്കെ, our next heading is writing short form. This is just reverse of our previous portion, expanded form. Expanded form is the നേരെ opposite. An expanded form is given. You need to write in short form, in numbers. തൊട്ട് മുമ്പ് തന്നത് ഒരു നമ്പർ തരും, അതിനെ എക്സ്പാൻഡഡ് ഫോമിലാക്കും. ഇത് എക്സ്പാൻഡഡ് ഫോമിൽ തരും, നമ്മൾ നമ്പറാക്കി എഴുതാം. വളരെ എളുപ്പമാണ്, നിങ്ങൾ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, you can write the first one, this number. Before we start, at first, all the time I told you, at first count the place values. Here 9, 1's time, 10's time, and 100 time. So there is no vacant time there. This number 500 plus 70 plus 9, simple one. The answer is 579. Next one. 1's time is there, 10's, 100 time is there, 1000 time, and then 10,000 time. 60,000 is here, 3,286. You just put the first numbers and write the numbers easily. 6 from here and 3 from here, 2, 8, 6. But on the third question, it's a 1 time, 10's time, 100 term. Next is a 10,000 term. 1000 term is not there. Then what is the answer? The answer, just put the numbers. 4 from first, 3 from second, 2 from third, and fourth. Okay, just count the place value. Ones, tens, 100,000, but here 40,000. This is only 4,000. So something is not there. What? Here ones term is here, tens, 100, but 1,000 term is missing. If there are any vacant missing, ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂ ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവിടെ എന്ത് കൊടുക്കണം പകരം? സീറോ. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ സീറോ കൊടുത്താലേ എന്താവും? കറക്റ്റ് ആവും. Now it become 40,000. So the answer, ഇല്ലാത്ത പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂവിന് പകരം സീറോ. ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യം മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. Next one. Ones term, tens, 100, 1,000 term is there. 10,000 term. This is lakh term. So 10 lakh term. All terms are there. So you can now put 1 and 2 in lakh term. 10,000 term 3, 1,000 term 4, 100 term, tens term, and ones term. It's an interesting number. On the next question. Ones term is here, tens term is here, 100 term is here. Next one, 1,000 term is not there. Next, 10,000 term is not there. What's the next term? Lakh term is not there. This is a 10 lakh term, and this is a crore term. So first 9 on crore term, the place value of crore 9. Next the place value 10 lakh. 3 is there. Okay. Next lakh term is missing. So put a 0. 10,000 term is missing. 1,000 term is missing. 100 term is here. Tens term is here. Ones term is here. And the last question. Ones term. Next, tens term is not there. 100 term. And the next one, 10 lakh term. So first one is this 10 lakh term. Lakh term is not there. Next, 10,000 term is not there. 1,000 term is not there. But 100 term is there. Tens term is not there. And the last ones term. Okay. Okay. സിമ്പിൾ ആണ്. എന്താണ്, ഏതെങ്കിലും ടൈം വേക്കൻ ഉണ്ടോ എന്ന് നോക്കിയിരുന്നാൽ മതി. ആദ്യം തന്നെ കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്ത് വേക്കൻ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അവിടെ 0 കൊടുക്കുക. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തിരിച്ചെഴുതി ഇങ്ങോട്ട് നോക്കാം. എക്സ്പാൻഡഡ് ഫോം എഴുതി ചെക്ക് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം. വളരെ സിമ്പിളായ കാര്യങ്ങളാണ് എക്സ്പാൻഡഡ് ഫോമും ഷോർട്ട് ഫോമും. Now I will give you some homework. Just few questions. This is some homework for you based on writing short form and writing expanded form. This is a simple topic. Understand the concept. Don't by heart anything. Understand only. Okay, students. Now we can conclude our today's section. We'll be see you on the next class. Thank you.